So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lita Dawatan. So finally, siguro after a month, ngayon lang ulit ako mag-upload. So mag-unbox po tayo guys. So medyo nalulungkot ako kasi yung aso ko namatay. Naiiyak ako kaya nililibang ko na lang yung sarili ko. My goodness, nagkasakit kasi siya. Tapos sabi ni Rui, painumin daw ng luyang dilaw. Tapos kasi daw gamot siya doon sa niya. Kasi siya, parang nagkatigdas. Parang ganyan. Tapos nilagyan ko ng BioFlu at saka Newsip. Namatay siya. Samantalang nung pinainom ko lang siya ng asukal at saka ng Yakult, okay pa siya, my goodness. So pagising ko kaninang umaga, siya kaagad yung naalala ko. Pinuntahan ko sa kulungan. Wala na. Tapos ngayon si Yuki, parang parang ganun din. Tapos pinabilhan ko nga kay Russell ang fried chicken kasi kanina yung buto ng manok sinubo ko sa kanya, kinain niya, pero ayaw niya ng kanin. So sabi ko kay Russell, bumili siya kahit isang fried chicken lang kasi pakain ko para kahit paano may laman yung tiyan niya, diba? Nakakaawa, nalulungkot ako, grabe, naiiyak ako kanina kasi nung pa yan nung isang araw, kasi hindi siya kumakain, ang kinakain niya is damo lang. Tapos nung isang araw, bigla kasi siyang natumba, parang siyang na-paralyze kasi yung paa niyang isa, di ko alam, parang hintas kasi kung maglakad siya, bago siya namatay. Tapos dinatumba siya, tapos naiiyak ako kasi naawang-awa ako, Diyos ko. Nalagaan ko din siya ng 2 years and siguro 2 years and 9 months, ganun, kasi mag-ano na siya magti 3 years old na siya this coming December 1 kasi siya pinanganak ni Yuki. Tapos lang ulit si Yuki nagkaanak kasi nga wala namang, hindi namin siya napapaasawa. Tapos sabi kasi, may nagsabi yung husky daw kasi once na hindi nabubuntis, ganyan, hindi napapakasta, namamatay. Sabi ko wag naman, my goodness, I'm so sad, I'm really sad. So ayan guys, mag-unboxing po tayo, pagpasensyahan nyo na po So this is worth 206. So I hope it's legit. So na-order siya sa Shopee. Okay? So sana legit talaga siya. Ang gaan parang wala naman. Ano kaya to? Totoo. So ayan guys, ganyanin na lang natin kasi tinatamad na ako kumuha ng gunting. Ayan, madali naman pala siyang pilasin. Charan! All by myself anymore. So ang packaging niya is maganda naman. Naka-bubble wrap pa. So what's inside, kasi maalog naman siya. Naka-bubble wrap. Ba't naka-bubble wrap yung ibabaw? Dapat sana yung product sa loob mo. Pero yung box niya is okay naman. So sana yung box din sa loob is okay. Okay? So pag tsatsagaan talaga natin siya i-ganon. Yan. Para humaba-haba na may video natin. Charan! Kasi guys, alam nyo ba, doon sa mga video ko before, siguro tagal ko nang hindi nagpapakita yata sa mga video ko kasi nung wala akong makakuhang content ba. Tapos I was very busy. I was very busy kala-live ng nagla-live ako ng Pupo Live. So nagla-live ako ng Nikki. So ayan. So mas maganda sana kung may extra phone, yung ganyan, kasi may para sana yung parang pangdami account. So kahit paano kikita ka ng medyo mas malaki. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng dami account. So I was busy talaga. So yung mga ko dati, basta makapag-upload lang ako. So kahit na lang ang binibideo ko, yung ganun, parang wala nang akong content sa buhay. Ganun. So ito ay pina-order ko kay Casey sa TikTok. Pina-order ko siya kay Casey sa TikTok. So hopefully naka-bubble wrap siya, in fairness. Ayan guys, naka-bubble wrap naman siya. So kala ko kasi kanina parang parang alog-alog. maalog-alog. So, naka-bubble wrap naman siya. O, diba? Tingnan natin. So, ipatong natin dito kasi hindi daw nakikita. Sabi ko, hindi siya nakikita kasi yung phone ko kasi is naka-charge. Kaya nga dito na rin ako nag-vlog, nag-video. So, kahit na hindi maganda yung background ko, it's okay because, ito talaga eh. Hindi tayo magagawa. Kasi ito talaga. So, okay naman siya. Dahil siya ay naka-bubble wrap. So, siguro kailangan talaga natin kumuha ng gunting. Alam mo na, aray ko, para magunting na talaga siya. Diba? So, ayan. Kailangan natin siyang i-gunting. Gunting. Shout out kay Ken. Hi Ken, Kenneth Watkins. Thank you for being long time member to my YouTube channel. And thank you for Greg. So, thank you for always watching my video. So, ayan guys. Thank you for Perry 18. Hope you're doing well. So, yeah, before si Perry is my member. So, nagkaroon siya ng struggle sa buhay. So, hope you're okay and doing well. I pray for all your good health guys. Okay, thank you so much Kin for always being there for me all the time. Okay, thank you for the support. So, ayan. So guys, my God, I hope you can hope one of you is going to be my member. So, I just need $10 to complete my quota. So, if you will being my member, if you are being my member, yun, makakasahod na ako. So, kasi guys, I have plan. So, pagka sumahod ako, so, hindi naman, ano ba to? Hindi naman siya kalakihan kasi yung $100 is, ang laki kasi ng tax. Alam niyo ba yun? Yung tax kasi niya is, before kasi, siguro, ang tagal ko na kasi hindi sumahod. So, nung last sahod ko, yung $100 ko is 100 something yun eh. So, di ko maalala yung butal. 100 something siya. Tapos, it became $79, I think. So, yan. So, hope guys, I will cover it first because we are not allowed to show it. So, hope every one of you can going to be my member so I can get feed, because it's always raining in my place. So, last week of July till first week of the August is street flood. So, it's almost half of the month flooding. So, I need to, improve my place. So, I need some sand and cement and other construction supply. So, my floor will get high. So, if I get my salary, I will use that money to buy some construction supply. So, hope everyone can join my YouTube channel. Hope Greg, Ferry, if you're, but thank you so much everyone. Thank you Ken Watkins. Thank you so much for being supportive, being always there for me. I really appreciate it very much, and sorry for sometimes what I did. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Love all guys. And thank you so much for everything. So ayan guys, look. Why it's open already? Let's look. So smell is good. So I think it's legit. You know, 3 days I don't have soap, I don't have shampoo, so I just, oh my god, I just wash my body for 3 days. So then I sew it, I sew some conditioner, so I just put some conditioner on my hair. Sometimes I use shampoo to wash at to put to use like soap to my body because I have a scrubber. So I scrub it out. I put the shampoo on the scrubber and I scrub it. So I felt, so I told to Casey to, because I don't have free shipping, so I told her to order for me. So she find out through TikTok. So if you watch TikTok around 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. till 10 a.m. so you will get 70%. So instead of for example, the price is 200, then it less 70%. So it's a really big discount, right? So you will pay for 130 pesos. See, that's a big savings. So be what call is this? So I don't know. So just okay guys, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being part of my video, and thank you so much for everything. Look, I have so very big, I don't know if pimples or whatsoever, or yeah guys, those thing, it's almost, oh wait, the other also is open. So hopefully I can use it for a month, maybe 1 month, but not sure, because when I taking a bath, so I do was also there my underwear, something like that. So when after you shower, after you're taking a bath, sorry, we don't have shower, just kidding, we have only a basin and what call it, tabo. So I thought something like that's no shower, sorry for that. So yeah, then I wash my underwear. So after I taking a bath, so I can put it under the sun, and then then when you going to take a bath tomorrow, so you can use it again. Just very simple, okay? By the way guys, thank you so much and God bless you to all. Hope you're watching my video and hope you will enjoy. So thank you so much. I salute you all, everyone. Love, happy lang. Thank you once again. Bye. Don't forget, by the way guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and like my YouTube channel. So it's very big help for us, for me, so, and for my family. So I have a big family guys. So yan, hope you continue watching my YouTube channel, and hope everyone can be my YouTube my member of my channel, because I need $10 guys. I need $10 to get paid. Just so please, I'm begging you all, because I told to myself, if I will get paid, it's, I wait this for almost a year maybe, so I can use it and buy some construction supply. So please guys, do watch and be my YouTube member. Thank you so much. I salute you all. God bless and have a great day, night, wherever you are. So keep safe everyone. Thank you. Bye.